I'm cold, I'm wet, my bike is dirty. It's okay, I'm not gonna leave you. It's an actual disaster.
Sports Bike Factory. Yeah, filled up full tank.
Right, okay. You've got no reserve tank or anything on there, have you?
No.
Right, okay. And when it starts,
Does it work?
the midnight sound tick over, when you turn it on, does it say?
Yeah, I can do that, yeah.
Any only?
Yeah.
Right, that's your injector. Bike on for me.
Yeah.
To make sure it's in neutral and just rev the absolute tits out of it.
Okay.
Careful. Huh? Can't do what? Oh. Hold this. Hold up. Oh. There we go. Whew. I'm trying to make sure we don't die out here. The plan is, if I see a car coming towards us, I'm grabbing her and we're going down there. It's a bit mad right now. Most cars are slowing down. This is a disaster, mate. It's an actual disaster. What's happening?
He said it's probably like injector.
And
the injector like it was like 3 things that came from the injector and I can't remember the last one. But I have a feeling it's the fuel injector.
Okay.
Basically what it's saying is that it's not the electrics in there is telling me that I can't rev.
Can't rev?
Yeah, can't rev.
Oh, right.
So I have to keep them low.
Okay.
James said it's like sort of damage the bike or anything.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I personally think because there was a couple like potholes, there was a couple like the road was just fucked. And I felt it in my tyre, and I just felt like...
Didn't it feel right after that? Yeah.
And then just on the way here, coming back now, that's why I'm feeling like everything's just kind of... I feel like it's fucking roads, bro. Like, it's just annoying.
It's jarring. So we're gonna do continue, just slowly.
I'm just gonna go slow. So he said he can't pick me up.
Yeah.
But he said to get myself home.
Yeah.
And then I'll text him. And then,
Are you okay to do that? Are you okay to do that? Yeah. We'll take it slow, take it easy. Alright, cool. How slow is slow?
Yeah?
How slow is slow? How slow is slow?
If you wanna go...
I'm not gonna leave you, don't be stupid. I was asking you how slow is slow.
Go in front of me.
I'll stay behind you for safety, bro.
Yeah, 50.
Come, yeah. Doesn't matter, I'm just asking, like, I'm not worried about it, I'm just asking. Yeah? It's okay, I'm not gonna leave you. I'm not gonna leave you. I'll never leave you.
Wait.
In this together.
Wait. Like this.
For the vlog, yeah?
Like this. There we go. Fuck Sports Bike Factory. Fuck them. Because once fucking again, even after a service, right? Even after a full service, full everything. What's it open now? The bike's still fucked. The bike is still fucked. Out here, middle of the fucking road. Fuck. Fuck Sports Bike. Sports Bike Factory. Fuck you. Fuck you. Bike, but fuck the company, bro. So, how are you gonna sell me a shit fucking bike? Literally, this bike, I'm pretty sure this bike had been sitting there, no one bought shit. They looked at it and was like, nah. We're not gonna fix it. Because they knew how fucked it was. Fuck.
Bro.
So where are we gonna go then?
Home.
Home?
Yeah. Drop you home, go for a munch. Drop you home, go for a munch, and then call it a day.
Yeah.
Oh boy. I'm cold, I'm wet, my bike is dirty. Fuck. Wait until it's nice and clear, and then we'll pull off. Alright. Here we are. As you've seen by the intro, as you've seen by the thumbnail, it was an absolute mess. Last week, the weather was so hot and nice, and somehow I've ended up planning a date on one of the worst days of the year, in the summer at least so far. I cannot believe it. But on the good side, your boy's not single anymore. Your boy found a nice little cute biker girl, and here we are. Her bike is a piece of shit, and she's on upgrades. Oh man, chat to me for a second, man. She got sold an absolute lemon before I even knew her, so it's one of them ones where now she's paying for buying a lemon. And man, it's an ordeal. We'll say that it's an ordeal. It's the whole thing. So now her engine light keeps going off and the bike is cutting out, and it's just it's a bit peak, innit? It's a bit peak, what can I say? But it's okay. Actually no, it's not okay, because we had a rage room. I keep opening and closing my lid, I'm sorry. We had a rage room booked. Something I'd never done before, something she never done before. Booked a little rage room to go smash it, and now at a time most where we absolutely need to smash it because of all this crap going on, we can't, because we're going to end up missing the time, unfortunately. One of them ones. Funny how that cookie crumbles, isn't it? But this is the hand we've been dealt today, so yeah man, it's just one of those days. It's one of those days where just everything goes wrong. But it has to do with the absolute day that I finally take a bike and go out on a date. Why me? That's just my luck, innit? That's just my luck. So next week you'll have another video called taking a biker girl out going right, hopefully. As long as the weather holds up, we'll be alright, we'll be alright. Hey, so we made it. We are way out of London, in beautiful Northampton, baby. Hey, let me tell you, it's the roads are a lot wider up here. Unfortunately, this is an average speed zone, which is crazy. I don't know why they would make this lovely road an average speed zone. They absolutely spoiled it. So yeah, we made it. Her bike survived. Somehow it didn't cut out. The guy we called, her mechanic, reckoned there was some kind of issue with the revs. I think I explained it before. So you just say keep the revs low and it should be fine. Just get it home, and that's exactly what we did. So yeah, we're good for now. What's she doing? Oh, what's that? Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh, beautiful! Absolutely beautiful. You don't see that every day. Then again, I've seen a couple supercars today. I've seen a couple supercars, even though it's been raining and it's been a miserable day. Supercars are out. I mean, if you live somewhere like this, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? Man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is all I could ever ask for when I'm out riding my bike, man. Obviously, she's on L-Place, so we can't take the motorway. The motorway, while it's fun going fast, it's boring. There's no scenery like this. Oof. Oh, what a conundrum. My arse hurts, so my leg hurts, man, but at least we got some nice views. At least we got, there's not many good takeaways I can take from this. It's actually mad. It's actually mad. This was a hell of a day, but next week we're gonna come back bigger and better. Okay, it's gonna be way better than this. Okay, I don't even know how long this video is gonna be, bro. It's stress. Anyway, I've been your boy Ghost. Oh, I'll see my life off track TV. And about love. Bro, look how dirty my bike is. Look how dirty my bike is. It's actually insane. So we're not ending the video. I changed my mind, man. Let's keep it going because we flipped the switch. You made the day better. I've changed clothes now. I'm dry, kinda. My feet are dry. My hands are dry. That's what that matters, isn't it? Her bike is absolutely cooked, fam. It's actually cooked. I don't know what's wrong with it, but explain the situation.
What, the whole situation about my bike?
Yeah.
Well, Super Sports Bike Factory sold me a shit bike and didn't tell me fuck all about it. So, as a new beginner rider, I don't know any of the specs or anything like that. So I just saw a nice bike. I was like, cool, fuck it, let's buy it.
For how much? For how much?
For like $4 grand.
That's a brand new bike price, right?
It's literally a brand new
and they sold her an absolute lemon.
And so fast forward a couple weeks, it was good. It was all good. On the way to work now, well, on the way back now from work, bike breaks down, and I take it to the recovery, get it repaired and stuff like that. My mechanic even said this bike shouldn't have been sold to you because it's fucking broken.
Tell them why it shouldn't have been sold to you.
Literally. So now, today.
No, let's take it back. Let's take it back.
Take it back.
Talk about the chain. Talk about how badly it was rubbing on things.
All of that. The chain's fucked. Well, the chain was fucked. The chain kept on coming loose. I would go to work on like the dual carriageway, 60-70 miles an hour. That chain just popped off.
It came off on a roundabout once. Came off when she was downshifting.
On a roundabout. Shit was dangerous to ride. Literally, like I'm actually surprised that my leg didn't come off with the bike.
Crazy.
Do you know what I mean? So all of that happened. If you want to watch that video, go to my channel, Tori RS.
Don't know.
Sneaky little plug there. But yeah, that happened. And now I got it all fixed. Like I got the chain and everything fixed. But now on the way here, what happened? The engine just cut out, didn't it? The engine cut out.
On a 70-mile-an-hour road, the engine cut out.
70 miles an hour. Had a truck lorry on my left-hand side, coming from the slip road. Obviously, perfect timing. It cut. My engine cut literally just as this lorry was like passing.
So listen, yeah, you disappeared. Like you overtook the lorry, you went to the left lane. All I saw was the lorry brake, and then you disappeared, and I was like, no way, fam.
Crazy. I was just like, thank God it didn't hit me.
Because it's pretty close behind you. It was pretty close behind you.
It was just insane, and it happened twice as well. It wasn't the first time in like what, 10-15 minutes?
About that, yeah.
No, Yeah, probably not even that. But like, in the space of that, it broke down again, and then I had to do 6th gear all the way because
50 mile an hour. Mad.
basically, if I had done it, the power would just kept.
At least we know that it worked and it didn't break down again. Honestly, at least that worked to get you home. At least that worked to get you home.
Yeah, it literally worked to get me home.
Yeah.
It worked to get me home, but I gotta send it back to repairs. Even Jamie was like, "You're spending too much on a bike." I was just like,
yeah. Spent like almost what, $5 grand now on this.
I was like, if there's anything else wrong, I'm selling the bike. I'm selling the bike. I'll firm it. I'll just wait. Like any more money that I spend on a bike will be towards my lessons.
And it's a shame because you're a brand new rider. I'm sure it puts a sour taste in your mouth, not just for Aprilias but for riding itself.
I want to get a 660, but now I'm thinking like, even if I do buy it brand new, is there going to be issues? Is like, what's the problem? Like, I don't want to have to spend more money on a bike. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, but I'm sure it's just sport bike factory.
If I end up spending more money on a bike, I would have just got a Decat. By the time I spent putting money into a bike, I might as well just got a fancy bike.
I hear what you're saying. Yeah.
I might just flex on you and get H2.
If you ever, bro. If you ever.
Let's see about it. But
we're gonna head home now. Get rid of this thing. She's gonna jump on my bike. We're gonna go cinema. We're gonna chill. I don't know if we're gonna hit the M-way later on the way back home. If we do, there'll be more of this. If not, I've been your boy Ghost, Off Track TV. You know the thing. Like, subscribe, comment. Check her channel out, Tori RS.
Tori RS. I'm a female bike rider riding an Aprilia RS 4125. So check me out.
Love.